How to hide country on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can hide country on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Instagram application, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now head towards your settings. Tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Once you're on your settings and activity, you have to scroll down a bit and here you have an option as about. Tap on it and then tap on about your phone. In this space, you will have an option for the account based in. You have to tap on that. After that, you will see a toggle in order to turn off or hide your country information. If available, you have to turn off that toggle, but if you are not able to find that feature or that option, then that may be due to the updates or the regional differences. So if you don't see these options, it's possible that the feature is not available in your region or for your account type. So in that case, what you can do is open up your device settings in your mobile device. Here tap on apps, tap on see all apps using the search icon at the top right corner, search for Instagram and then tap on it. Here tap on permissions and here you can disable the permission for location. Tap on location and then tap on don't allow, and with that the application will not have access to your location and that will help you hide your country or your location. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.